Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Let me ask you an important question. What does every Subaru WRX owner want to be? They want to be an STI.
Sweet, sweet love.
Yeah. So, yesterday I managed to pick up a gray trunk, dark metallic gray trunk with an STI wing, an OEM STI wing no less. I confirmed it with the previous owner, and the hardware that was used to mount these look like OEM. Like they don't look jank at all. And you can see like there's some stickers holding the bolts in, I'm guessing to prevent rust. But yeah, super excited about this trunk. There's some missing stuff on it, like the garnish right here. And I'm hoping, since I'm recording, and you ruined the shot. But yeah, it's missing the garnish here. And I hope I don't have to cut the trunk for the keyless entry. So this is the garnish I'm talking about. I'm gonna take this off my old trunk. And I'm hoping that the keyless entry can be swapped over. But it looks like it's actually on this garnish itself and not actually on the trunk. So that's pretty nice. It doesn't look too hard. Just a couple bolts and some of these pop clips. And yeah, I don't think it's not gonna be too bad. Okay, took that carpet cover off and didn't realize how cheap this thing is. It looks so weird. Like, look how it's creased up and shit, man. Subarus, again, are really cheap. But at least they're like Lego pieces. So it just looks like a couple pop tabs and screws. And I'm also gonna take off this, the latch, which I don't think is too hard. Yeah, it's just two bolts up there. But other than that, it looks like a super easy swap. So I'm excited to try to get this trunk on already. And a couple clips there and there. Okay, the garnish is off. The reason why the garnish is still on the trunk is because the keyless entry is attached right here. And it just looks like a slide pop off clip, so it doesn't look too hard to take off. And it's just a couple clips, but just good note. Okay, successfully took off the garnish. Yeah, I just gotta be patient with it. I just started disconnecting these, ooh, it's kind of dark. Disconnecting these pop clips, I guess. And then I just started tugging on some small stuff, and then I found the harness, this brown one right here, for the keyless entry. And I just yanked it from the top and had a plastic grommet right there. Right here. You just slipped that through. Okay. The trunk is empty now, or it's cleaned up of all of its accessories. Harness is right there. Cleaned out all these and put them on the STI wing already, or the ones I can just put on top. So license plate, the lights, backup camera, and those thingies. This is actually super simple. I didn't think it was going to be that tough. So I'm going to call my old man and we're going to take off the WRX trunk. All right. My dad helped me put the STI trunk on. And I just put all the old trims and things back in. Wasn't too hard. Garnish in. Just be patient. I still got to put the bolts up there. But just be patient when you're taking out stuff. Like, it'll come out fairly easy. And yeah, keyless works. That's good to know. Everything is reinstalled back. Got the carpet back on. And had to remove the nips from my WRX and put this on. And you literally just twist and yank. It's a really weird design. But here we go. Oof. All right. Okay, let's try that again. All right, something is not lined up, and it must be the latch. God damn it. Figured out the issue. Here we go. There we go. Damn. Damn, that's sick. I am such a butthurt for big wings. Bro. Looks so good. Oh, the color match is great too. OEM color match. Oh, I don't know if I said it in the beginning, but there's actually an OEM spoiler. And the guy I bought it from actually had it, bought it from another guy that installed it at a dealership. So I'm pretty sure there's a WRX trunk with STI spoiler, but I digress. That looks so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm such a butthurt for big wings. And keyless entry and everything works. Only issue, and I know that STIs have different tension bars up here. And since I don't have it, so the trunk won't pop out right away. I'm gonna use a little bit of force, but that's it. Yeah, so if you like this video, please leave a like. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more Subaru WRX content. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.